अच्छा लग रहा है ये अच्छा
below the current this is for our super control. And so in the standardized
Safety is a very important aspect for the operation of plant and for the
एंड में
safety
फोर्स
of
बहुत
the
लगा
Dear sir and all other respected dignitaries, I welcome you all to this
सीमेंट का OEM है जो सीमेंट इसी के एम्प्लॉय करके आ रहा है फॉल्ट सेंसर इंडिकेटर। तो
TG Samir Kumar, Manager Mechanical, on behalf of Kiriguru Airport Mines, present you the working model of
mines will show the safe haul road for HEMM and wet drilling operations.
below the current this is for our super control. And so in the standardization follow the standard procedure for and guidelines for doing all the three sets S sort set in order and signs for disciplines and regular maintaining of that and safety is integrated in all the systems and our workplace is also equipped with our rainwater harvesting system and also solar panel for environmental.
These guards are basically used to protect the workers from the moving parts of the conveyor system. We have also devised a very innovative safety device which is known as the PIR sensor switch. This sensor switch basically works in such a manner that whenever an operator walks inside this area, as you can see, you can hear the alarming sound. So this basically alerts that operator and all the surrounding people that somebody is inside a highly dangerous zone and immediately prompts him to walk out of that area. Then this all, as you can see that inside this model, it is completely filled with light. Light is also a very important part of the safety. It basically covers the illumination part. The standard for illumination in the Hallback Road, which is covered by these high mast towers, it is 10 lux. And for the equipment, which you can see, the lighting index or the standard which is used is in the range of 25 lux. Then it automatically switches off the entire plant. In this way, it alerts the entire plant that the plant has been stopped due to some reasons, and people get alerts to take the necessary action. So these are some of the most important safety measures which we use for the safety of conveyor systems. Thank you.
and all other respected dignitaries, I welcome you all to 60th Safety Week celebration at Radhapur Mines. This model is about dumps, subgrade dump slope stability. Earlier we were, as per IBM guidelines, we were asked to stock 45 to 55 subgrade own separate stockpile. But now the problem of slope failure is very common. So to maintain the slope, every year we have to spend significant amount in the slope stability, like haul road maintaining and berm repairing. Every year we have to spend lakhs of rupees on this. Now we have modernized steel plants. So we can use even lower grade iron ore in the modern steel plants. So we have installed a mobile screen which separates all the different sizes of lumps and reject fines, in which we reject the fines which is less than 10 mm, which is less than 45% in iron grade. Also the material is used in the steel plant. So in safety regard, the stability of the dump is maintained by removing the and also serving the purpose of utilizing the material.
तो सर ये अभी एक सीमेंट का OEM है जो सीमेंट इसी के एम्प्लॉय करके आ रहा है फॉल्ट सेंसर इंडिकेटर। तो पहले हमारा क्या होता था, हमारा बहुत लंबा स्ट्रेच है सर, जो हमारा नौमंडी से आता है गेट से बहुत लंबा स्ट्रेच है, 30 किलोमीटर के आसपास का स्ट्रेच है और बहुत रफ टेरेन है सर। तो जैसे फॉल्ट होने से क्या होता था सर, जो
है जो हमारा सबॉर्डिनेट है
उसको 30 किलोमीटर एट ए स्ट्रेच, उसको चलना पड़ता है पोल टू पोल। पंचर में नॉर्मल आपको दिख रहा है, विजिबल पंचर है तो आपको दिख जाएगा, बट आपका एयरलाइन पंचर है और बहुत सारा सा माइन्यूट फॉल्ट आ रहा है, तो पोल टू पोल चढ़ के उनको मतलब आपका पूरे 12 घंटे होगा, 14 घंटा उनको जाना पड़ेगा। तो ये जो आपका नया टेक्नोलॉजी है सर फ्यूचर में, जो फॉल्ट सेंसिंग इंडिकेटर, ये क्या करेगा सर, ये आपका फेस टू फेस फॉल्ट को ये आपका डिटेक्ट करेगा, फेस टू ग्राउंड फॉल्ट को डिटेक्ट करेगा। तो इसमें 2 टाइप का ऑप्शन है सर, क्या एक सिस्टम FCC और एक आप इंडिविजुअली जो इसमें इंडिकेशन के लिए सिस्टम लगा हुआ है, इंडिविजुअली इंडिकेशन के सिस्टम लगा हुआ, उससे भी आप जैसे यहाँ ओवरहेड लाइन है 11 kV का, तो उसमें आपको दिख जाएगा फिजिकली भी। बट इसमें एक एक्स्ट्रा एडेड ऑप्शन क्या है सर, कि जो सीकेम FCC है, फॉल्ट कलेक्टर गेटवे, तो ये फॉल्ट कलेक्टर गेटवे नियर बाई जितने भी 9 मैक्सिमम 9 आपका जो FCI से इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करके ये GPRS के थ्रू हमारे कंट्रोल सिस्टम में हमारा जो स्टाफ है उसके मोबाइल ऐप में आपको आपका जो ज्योग्राफिकल लोकेशन है, जिस एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन पे फॉल्ट हुआ है वो लोकेशन पे आपको इंडिकेट कर देगा। तो हमारा जो एम्प्लॉई है, हमारा स्टाफ है, वो डायरेक्टली उस लोकेशन में जाके जो हमारा पहले लंबा स्ट्रेच होता था 12 घंटा 10 घंटा का पूरा स्ट्रेच होता, आदमी जो मेन इसमें कंसर्न है सेफ्टी का लेकर कि वो थक जाता है मेंटली फिजिकली, तो उसमें इतना रॉक टेरेन है तो उसमें उसके एक्सीडेंट होने इंजर्ड होने के चांसेस थे। तो अभी क्या है कि वो फ्रेश माइंड से और फ्रेश स्ट्रेंथ लेके डायरेक्टली उस लोकेशन में जा सकता है जहाँ पर फॉल्ट हुआ है, 200-300 मीटर का एरिया है, वहाँ जाके डायरेक्टली वो फॉल्ट को रेक्टिफाई कर सकते हैं। तो ये
tried to create an awareness regarding domestic safety. Actually, when we are always used to use geyser water for our bathing and never used to switch off geyser when bathing, and there are chances of short circuit, and it may if short circuit occurs, it may take the life of the person taking bath. So it is our awareness that the person should switch off the light and use the storage hot water during bathing, so that no accident can occur. In YouTube or Google, you can see so many people have lost their lives due to bathing in live geyser water. And last year in Mumbai also, some people have died, and you can see that in news also. Thank you, sir.
Samit Kumar, Manager Mechanical, on behalf of Kiriburu Iron Ore Mines, present you the working model of wagon loader operation during operation of fine ore loading into the railway wagons. So this is a model showing the movement of wagon loader on the rail tracks during the loading of iron ore fines. So in order to ensure the safety, unwanted motion in the area is tracked by motion sensor which is installed, and if there is unwanted motion, so the motion sensor will detect and send a signal to the loader operator, and it will automatically trip the movement of wagon loader. It will raise an alarm which will show that there is unwanted motion in the area, so that it will alert the operators in the area. Before starting, when the direction is reversed, automatic siren is raised so that reverse motion is alarmed to the people working in the area. To ensure people working in the area safe crossing over the conveyors, walkover bridges are being provided at the places necessary. As the area is very distant, high mast lights are provided so that to ensure high illumination in this area.
Yeah. Good evening, all the dignitaries. I, Rishabh Singh, Assistant Manager ENL, on the behalf of Kiriburu Iron Ore Mines, will show the safe haul roads for HEMM, then wet drilling operations, then milestones and display boards, then safe mining benches, and safety features in HEMM. Kiriburu Iron Ore Mines is a type A fully mechanized mine having the total pit area of the 107.2 hectares and the AC capacity